Garbage truck arm broken.
Wow, what a nice day. I'll clean the city before it gets busy.
Welcome to TinkerBot Repair Center. How can I help?
TinkerBot, look at me! My arm is broken and I smell really bad!
Oh dear! Don't worry, I'll help you. Let's check. First, let me chase away the flies. Done! Check again. Find what needs to be fixed. There's dirt on your body. Time to clean. Rinse with water. Add bubbles. Rinse again. Dry with the fan. Wax and polish.
Wow, I feel lighter and smell nice, but I need a new arm.
No problem. I'll install a new one.
Yeah! TinkerBot, my back door won't move.
Trash is stuck in the gears. Let me fix it. All done.
Thank you. I'm full of energy. I must go back to work.
Good luck. Bye.
Ooh.